Hello students, welcome to this lesson. This is a straight line of first PUC content. I will be taking about 2 to 3 lessons on this content. In the beginning, as I told you already, let us take the concept based questions. That is, in this unit I will be taking some simple MCQs which are related to concept, so that it will be a revision for you. But as I told you already in the previous lessons, please revise the first PUC straight line content before watching this lesson, so that you will be definitely able to understand the concepts which I have discussed here, and that will be a very good preparation for solving the MCQs of both CET, even in JE also. So definitely Karnataka CET questions will be very simple when you understand this. This is one thing. Second one is after this completion of concept based MCQ, let me take as before the questions which have appeared in the previous Karnataka CET from 2022, whatever is possible. As I told you, this is my plan. In the beginning, first 1 or 2 lessons I will be clarifying the concepts. Then next I will be taking the old MCQs of Karnataka CET. Based on the availability of time, I will be taking some 10 to 15 questions in the beginning. Later, once I complete the syllabus, let me take the remaining also. First one, the midpoint of the line joining the points minus 10, 8 and minus 6, 12 divides the line joining 4, minus 2 and minus 2, 4 in the ratio. So this is based on two concepts. One is, first you must know how to find the midpoint. Second one is, you should know the section formula. So let us work out systematically. See, this is the first thing. Minus 10, 8 and minus 6, 2 are the two end points of line segment. Therefore, definitely the midpoint is minus 8, 5, because minus 10 plus minus 6 is minus 16, minus 16 by 2. So minus 8. Then 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 by 2 is 5. Therefore, the midpoint is definitely minus 8, 5. So this is the first thing. Next, what is given is, so there are 2 points. One is 4 minus 2, another one is minus 2, 4. That is line joining that divides the given line segment, that is line joining minus 10, 8 and minus 6, 2. Now what you have to assume is, suppose the ratio is m is to n. So that means the midpoint divides the given 2 points 4 minus 2 and minus 2, 4 in the ratio m is to n. Then we know this formula, minus 8 must be equal. That means I am taking only x coordinate. Minus 8 will be equal to, see, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So this is the formula. Therefore this we have to simplify. So cross multiply, minus 8m minus 8n will be equal to, right side it will be m into minus 2 plus n into 4. Simplify this, so that when you simplify you get minus 8m plus 2m will be equal to 8n plus 4n. So definitely minus 6m will be equal to 12n, or m is to n will be equal to minus 2 is to 1. And now it is very clear, when the negative sign is there, it is external division. Therefore the option is D, that is 2 is to 1 externally. So this is the answer. So this is the first question. Let us go to the next one. Second question. The vertices of rectangle ABCD are minus 1, 0, 2, 0, AB and minus 1, 4. Then the length of the diagonal AC is, in any such question, of course, question answers are 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6. So let us first draw the diagram. So a rectangle ABCD is given. So let us first denote them. A is minus 1, 0, then B is 2, 0. It is very clear, the value of y is 0. That means it is on x-axis. A is minus 1, 0, B is 2, 0. Then next one is, C is AB and D is minus 1, 4. It is very clear, you see, x coordinate of A and D must be same. So it is minus 1 and minus 1. And here y coordinate on AB is same, 0, 0. Therefore you see, now it is very clear how to find it. So the x coordinate of B and x coordinate of C should be one and the same. So therefore A equal to 2. because this is actually parallel to y-axis. Then similarly, y coordinate of D and y coordinate of B should be same, because DC is parallel to x-axis, so its y value should be same. Therefore, definitely B should be equal to 4. Now, you can definitely find C is 2, 4. Therefore, coordinate of C is 2, 4. Now, the question is find the diagonal AC. Therefore, AC will be equal to, apply the distance formula, -1 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square, then simplify. So, you get minus 3 square plus minus 4 square, which will be equal to 9 plus 16 under square root, which is 5. Therefore, the option is D. So, this is the second question. Now, let us go to the next question. The length of the altitude through A of the triangle ABC, where A is minus 30, B is 4 minus 1, C is 5, 2 is. So, options of course 2 by root 10, 4 by root 10, 11 by root 10 and 22 by root 10. So, let us draw the diagram. So, A is minus 30, B is 4 minus 1, C is 5, 2. Now, try to understand the question. Length of the altitude from A to BC. That means, let us say AM is the altitude, height. So, we have to find the length of this one. What is the method? First, what we can do is, equation of BC we can find. We know that equation of BC 2-point formula, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, but m is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 using 2-point formula. Therefore, let us take x1 y1 as b coordinate 4 minus 1, x2 y2 as c coordinate 5, 2. Now, just substitute and simplify. Of course, it is very simple. So, y plus 1 will be equal to 3 into x minus 4. Simplify further, it is 3x minus 12. Once again simplify, you get this equation. So, the equation of BC is 3x minus y minus 13 equal to 0. This is the equation of BC. Now, what you have to do is, this is the concept which I have studied already. Perpendicular distance from an external point to a given line is given by D equal to, of course, mod we have to use, ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. If it is negative, we have to take positive. Therefore, am will be equal to now mod of, now substitute, say point x1 is minus 3, y1 is 0. In the given equation, 3x minus y minus 13 equal to 0. Therefore, 3 into minus 3, minus 0 minus 13 divided by square root of 3 square plus minus 1 square. Just simplification. So, it is 22 divided by root 10. You can check it. So, 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 9 minus 13 is minus 22. But we have to take mod because it is distance. Therefore, it is 22 by root 10. So, this is the question. So, this is third question. Let us go to the next fourth question. The straight line x plus y equal to 0, 3x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 form a triangle which is, see here, the best method in such cases is drawing the diagram, because you can algebraically find it. That is one method. You can solve what is x plus equation x plus y and 3x plus y minus 4 equal to 0. You get 1 point. Similarly, other two straight lines, 1 point. The first one and the last one, 1 point. So, totally 3 points you get. Those will be the vertices of the triangle. Then you can find it, but that is very lengthy. Easiest method is, you can just draw the diagram just by, say, first one is x plus y equal to 0 means this is the equation, because y equal to minus x. So, this is the equation passing through the origin, straight line passing through the origin. Other one is, you see, for 3x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, 0, 4 is the point. That is, you put x equal to 0, y is 4. Similarly, you can also find, put y equal to 0, x is 4 by 3. So, the other point is 4 by 3. Now, you draw this line. This is the line. This is the second equation. Same way, you can also find this was x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Same method, find the 2 points. Actually, you need not find once again, just reverse it. 0, 4 by 3, 4, 0. So, now once again mark the point and draw the line. So, now it is very clear. in the diagram, the triangle is formed by three straight lines, and it is very clear because it is symmetric also. So it is definitely isosceles triangle. This is one method, graphical method. If this method you are not comfortable, you can do by solving, but solving will take lot of time. Here if you are careful in drawing the graph, it will give you a result immediately. So this is the method. Next, fifth question. The point on y-axis which is equidistant from 3, 2 and minus 1, 3 is, see, in any such question, there is no shortcut. That is one thing. Second one is shortcut means how best we can solve the problem quickly. That is only way of shortcut. And it is not possible to guess also. So you have to actually do the calculation. So let us take like this. And in any such question, it is always better to draw a rough diagram. So the first point is A32. Let us take A32. Second point is B minus 1, 3. Now what is the condition? A point on y-axis which is equidistant. So let us take this point as the point P0i, because it is on y-axis means x value is 0, y value is y. Now what you have to do is, condition is PB and PA must be same, equidistant. Therefore you can say PA equal to PB or PA square equal to PB square, so that we can avoid square root. Then use distance formula. So 3 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square equal to minus 1 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. Solve this one. So you get y square cancels, then simplification will give you the result. So it is y equal to minus 3 by 2. Now you may have one doubt. In the diagram y is above, but in the actual question it is below. This is just to help you. I have drawn the diagram. Diagram need not be accurate. So the diagram is wrong actually, because y should be negative. That means it should come below. So that is okay, because it is just for understanding the question. So you can take the diagram only to get an idea how problem should be tackled. So this is the answer. Therefore 0 minus 3 by 2. Next question. Sixth one. The vertices of triangle 6, 0, 0, 6 and 6, 6, the distance between its circumcentre and centroid is. So 1, then 2 root 2, 2 and root 2. Here of course we have to calculate what is circumcentre. Then we have to calculate what is centroid. Of course centroid formula you know already. Then we have to find the distance. So these are the three things. So three concepts are necessary. That is, one is circumcentre, then second one is centroid, then distance formula. So let us work out like this. See, in any such question, it is always better to use a rough diagram. See, one is 6, 0, another one is 0, 6, another one is 6, 6. Now what is the triangle required? So this is the triangle. Now it is very clear. Triangle is right angled at C. It is very clear. So A60, B06, C6 is. So centroid G will be equal to, of course, centroid formula you know. It is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Therefore, definitely it is 4, 4. 6 plus 6, 12 by 3, 4, 4. And similarly, very important thing is circumcentre. Look here in the diagram. C is 90 degree means AB is hypotenuse, and in any right angle triangle, midpoint of the hypotenuse is the circumcentre, because the circle passes through ABC and midpoint of hypotenuse becomes the center of the circle. Therefore, definitely M will be equal to so it is midpoint. So you can use the formula 0 plus 6 by 2, 6 plus 0 by 2. So it is 3, 3. Therefore, now you know the centroid G, you know the circumcentre M. Therefore, what you have to do is calculate GM, apply the formula 4 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 3 whole square. So this is root 2. Therefore, the option is D. So this is sixth question. Now let us go to the seventh question. I think I have taken 10 questions. So choose the correct statement which describes the position of the point minus 6 2 relative to straight line 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and 6x plus 9y plus 8 equal to 0. So that means one is below both lines, above both lines, in between the lines, and none of this. So here the best method is like this. See, you can substitute the value minus 6 2. When you substitute in the first equation, it is negative, and similarly you substitute in the second equation, that is also negative, means both lines are one side of this, that is point is on, it is either above or below of the given two straight lines. Therefore here the point is below both lines, because see, this also you can calculate. You have to take 0 and any other point, and then you can decide whether 0 is below x-axis, the given line, or above given line. So based on that also you can do it, but here we are getting negative, therefore both are below, points are below the both lines. So this is the thing. See, there are three possibilities given any one point and one line. One is above the line, or it is below the line, or it is on the line. So these are the three cases. So positive and negative will give you above and below, and 0 will give you the point on the line. So this is the idea. Next, 8th question. The equation of the line passing through origin and perpendicular to the line 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0 is A, of course, y minus 2x equal to 0, x minus 2y equal to 0, y plus 2x is equal to y, x plus 2y equal to 0. So these are the options. Now what you have to do is, see here, consider this line 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0. Now what we need is, we want a straight line which should be perpendicular to the given line and it passes through origin. So this is the idea. Now let us work out like this. Slope of the line 2x plus y plus 6 equal to 0 is, you know, this is formula is m equal to minus a by b. So therefore minus 2 by 1, it is minus 2. Therefore you know the condition, slope of the line which is perpendicular to the given line is 1 by 2, because product of the slope should be minus 1. So the slope of the required line is 1 by 2. Now this passes through 0 0. Therefore equation of the line passing through x1 y1 and slope m is given by y minus y1 equal to m into x minus y x1. This is slope point formula. Therefore I made it clear in the beginning. I have selected only those type of questions which will help you to revise the content. So now apply the formula y minus 0 equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 0. Simplify 2y equal to x, or x minus 2y equal to 0. Definitely B is the option. So this is 8th question. Now let us work out a few things, that is shortcut method of finding this. There are two things. One is equation of the line parallel to a given line passing through a given point. That is one thing. Second one is equation of the line passing through a given point perpendicular to a given line. How to find it using shortcut? Let us discuss the theory first. L1, let us take ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and p equal to x1 y1. Now slope of L1 is minus a by b formula, and therefore slope of any line parallel to L1 will be always minus a by b. Therefore what you have to do is, line passing through x1 y1 and parallel to L1 will be equal to equation of the line passing through x1 y1 slope m. So use the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this will give you, say, simplification, say equation is this, ax plus by minus ax1 plus by1 equal to 0. This is the shortcut. Therefore this is the way you can do. Please note this step. Line parallel to L1 is of the form ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Plus k, because a and b will be same. How to find k? So to find k, substitute x1 y1 and then find k, then write directly. This is the shortcut. Exactly same way, if the line is perpendicular to L1, then the equation of the line is directly you can write bx minus ay. That means b and a you have to interchange, then plus becomes minus in the second. Then once again, how to find k? Substitute x1 y1 in the given equation, then find k. So this is a shortcut. Using this also you can do. Now let me show an illustration so that it will be clear. The equation of the line passing through origin and perpendicular to the line 2x plus 5 plus 6 equal to 0. Just now we have worked out this one. Let me show you how it can be done. required equation of the line should be equal to x minus 2y. What you have to do is interchange the coefficient of x and y. So here there it is 2x plus y. Here it should be x minus 2y. Plus becomes minus. Now how to find k? Now substitute 0, 0 passes through this point. Therefore substituting you get this equal to 0. So k equal to 0. Therefore what is the equation? Required equation is x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the shortcut. So you need not work out the entire step. Directly we can write. Similarly you see, suppose it is perpendicular, parallel. Then what you have to do is, same method, required equation will be 2x plus y plus k equal to 0. Earlier it was x minus 2y, reverse. Here same thing you have to write, 2x plus y, equation is same, 2x plus y only, plus k equal to 0, parallel means. Substitute this one, so once again 0, therefore k is 0. Therefore the equation which is parallel is given by 2x plus y equal to 0. These are the shortcut methods. It is always better to remember this type of shortcuts. Now let us take the next question, question number 9. 2 points A0 and 0B are joined by the straight line. Another point on the line is, so this is a very simple question, but you have to understand the concept. See, equation of the line, actually it is intercept form, because one point is A0, that means line cuts x-axis at A0, y-axis at 0B. Therefore it is intercept form. You know, you have studied this one. If a line passes through A0 and 0B, then it is intercept form is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Therefore I can write the equation of the line as x by A plus y by B equal to 1. Now what you have to do is, which point lies on this one? It is very simple. Just by inspection you can say, for example, first one you check, put x equal to 3a, so a cancels 3. So that is what we have to do. I have taken 3a minus 2b, just substitute, so you get 3 minus 2 1, and you can check with others also. It is not possible, because for example you take last one, a cancels 1, b cancels 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, it is not 1. So like that you can check, but fortunately we are getting the answer for the first one only. So that is the point. So definitely you can say answer is A, there's a 3A and minus 2B, that is A option. So this is the 9th question. Let us take the last question. The point minus 4 5 is the vertex of square on its one of its diagonal is 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0. The equation of the other diagonal is, so which is the equation of the other diagonal? One thing is very clear. See here, if you understand the shortcut method which I just explained, 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0, any line perpendicular to 7x minus y equal to 0 must be x plus 7y plus k equal to 0. So x plus 7y. So x plus 7y plus k equal to 0 should be the point. Now let us work it out. So a is minus 4 by 5, b we don't know, c also we don't know. Now we have to work like this. See, ABCD is a square, no doubt. Now DB is the diagonal, and clearly you can see this is 7x minus y plus 8 equal to 0, because the point minus 4 5 does not satisfy this equation. So you can check. Therefore the given diagonal is DB. What is asked is the point passing through minus 4 5, and we want the diagonal, this one of the other diagonal. That means given diagonal is this. What is the other diagonal? That means we have to find what is AC. How to find AC? It is very simple now. AC is perpendicular to DB. It is very clear. Therefore now equation of AC is therefore x plus 7y plus k equal to 0. So shortcut method. Now what you have to do is, you can just substitute minus 4 5 to find the value of k. So substitute. So substituting minus 4 plus 7 into 5 plus k equal to 0. Therefore this implies k equal to minus 31. So substitute you get x plus 7y minus 31 equal to 0, or it is x plus 7y equal to 31. Therefore, definitely C is the option. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this approach, that is first a few lessons clarifying the concepts, then taking the MCQ. Please subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and share with your friends so that it will be an encouragement for me. As I told you already, this process will continue further until we complete one set of syllabus related lessons. Then of course we shall go for more and more questions. Let us meet in the next lesson. Till then, bye. Take care.